may not be all the way down to the ground. Maybe just it's hard to tell. It's definitely a lower.
Keep your eyes power lines like that.
Yep.
That is huge. That is huge.
That's what she said.
Hang on, guys. We've got to stop.
We have to stop.
We'll get out.
Stop. Hang on.
Yeah, it's tornado. Definitely. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. What time is it?
It's 6:15.
Look at this.
Yeah. Okay. It's going left to right.
Oh, funnel to the water club as well.
Yeah, funnel too.
Yeah.
Don't focus on that guy. No, super. Paul, did you say that's not bad? Second one's getting better.
We're gonna have to get in the van quickly.
Yeah. Watch the clouds right above us too. I mean, everything's all turbulence.
It's okay. We got all rear shelf above us. We're okay. We're right.
Come on, you son. Drop on the way. I want to get one with two of them in. Suck them back in.
Yep. Starting to wrap up.
Second one on the drop.
It's getting there.
Actually, get out of it.
Okay, get back there. Go, get back there. Look.
Ow. Oh, yeah.
How is it?
Oh, my God. It's great. Yeah, get back here.
Take turn. Make sure you guys keep an eye on it. We got it. There's a lot of debris under it now. It's wrapped up by the rain again.
We got another tornado at 9 o'clock.
Hey, Ben, it's me. I'm trying to get a hold of you. We've just seen 4 tornadoes here. I've got video and photographs. I'll need later on.
Awesome! It's gonna be tough to get in there.
Hey, good. Ian, it's mighty muddy.
Flashlights. Did anybody call NWS and use your flashlights? Paul probably reported it.
Coming back this way, that's not a good sign.
Sure.